This is the area that I suspected we would find water coming in, but overall, it doesn't look like there's any new moisture, at least not on the floor here. Up there looks like there is maybe some mild moisture right along here.
It has not been raining that heavy yet.
Yeah. Yeah. There was some drizzling going on earlier though, so I figured if anything was coming through, there would be a little bit of evidence. But I'm thinking that the slats up there, a lot of them are going to need tore down and like replaced.
It's hard to tell because it's covered up, but I'd say